Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your WhatsApp account is active and your phone number is verified. Once done, pick an AI chatbot provider that supports WhatsApp integration. Make sure it meets privacy and message volume needs. Next, request API access, either WhatsApp Business API or a reliable third-party gateway, and secure the API token and webhook URL. You should now have credentials and a working webhook endpoint. Save them safely, because you will use these in the next configuration steps. You now connect the pieces, paste the API token into the provider dashboard, and register your webhook URL for message events. Once connected, map incoming messages to bot intents, create clear utterances and quick replies so the bot recognizes common queries. Then, configure message templates for transactional notifications. WhatsApp requires pre-approved templates for outbound templated messages. Make sure to test with a sandbox number or limited group, because this is where most logic and permissions issues surface. You finish by running thorough end-to-end tests. Simulate real conversations, spammy inputs, and unexpected phrasing so the bot handles edge cases gracefully. Once satisfied, deploy to production and monitor logs for webhook errors, rate limit warnings, or message rejections. If problems arise, check API token validity and template approval first. Those are common failures. Finally, iterate on intents, response phrasing, and fallback messages based on real user feedback, so the bot improves continuously.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.